Alright, so welcome to my site. This is what it will come to when you first open it. It's the home page, and I just made a little icon that just says Jessica Weiberg Photography, and it showed up on the first one of these things as well, in white, just so you could see it better. And then as you go through here, it'll show you the different types of pictures that you can look at, and those all link to the photography page. Down here, a little more description about the photos, the photo types. And these icons, I made them more relevant to what they are. And when you click on those, it takes you to the photos as well. This takes you to the portfolio page. So let's just go to the photography page. Here we have first is a little slideshow of couples photos. There's a few in there. Go down a little bit, more different types of portrait photos. Then down here we have more landscape photos. So next is the blog page. That I kept basically the same. I made a practice post in there. And for the sidebar, I just kept a little description, a picture of me, and then I actually downloaded a widget for Instagram that I found, and it let me choose how many photos I wanted to show, things like that, and people can follow me straight from there. So that was really cool to learn about. And then the portfolio, this is all I have right now, but that's how it'll show up. Contact page, I got rid of the sidebar for the contact page just because it seemed a little repetitive to do about me and then some more about me. So I just made it half and half and then put my Instagram down here. The store is how we set it up. So there's only a couple products in there right now, but that's how that looks with the sidebar down here. Cart, account, everything is the way it was when we set it up. Everybody the same. So back to the home page. The main purpose of this website is to showcase my photography, so that's what my goal was with all of this, and I showed it a lot, definitely, especially on the main homepage. I learned a lot about just having fun with WordPress because I've made WordPress sites before, but I never really made it my own, and I tried to do that more this time. And the most difficult part for me was kind of organizing things in a way that made it flow better, because I tend to just go with whatever I made first, whatever order I made it in, but sometimes it's better to go through and be like, okay, so this makes sense flowing after this, and it made more sense for me to put contact closer to the store. I don't know, just things like that that make the website more successful, easier to navigate. There's not a ton of content on it right now, but I'm pretty happy with how it looks, and I'm grateful for this class. It's definitely good to learn about WordPress, and thank you for watching this.